Today we're going to talk about how to use quality function deployment, the QFD technology to design a new product. We're going to talk about one example. Now I want to open the QFD practice file, PDF file. So this is the example. We're going to actually do a problem number 2. And problem number 1 actually brought in some background, but we're going to just do number 2. Question. Bob's Big Burgers. This company wants to start a new business, want to design their new product. It found that customer placed the highest importance on healthy food, followed by value, followed by order accuracy and service. The menu board was only quarterly noted as important attribute in the survey. Bob faces 3 major competitors in the market: the Gravis, the Quimburger, and Sundays. Study of their product yield in the information shown in table 12.5. So here is the table. It summarized the design features of Bob's 3 competitors. And result of the consumer panel rating for each of these competitors are shown in table 12.6 with a scale of 1 to 5, with 5 being the best. So this is the consumer panel rating for the competitors. And this problem requires us to use a QFD method to help Bob to design his new product. Basically, it's what type of burger the company is going to offer. So here is the problem. Now, let's do this. How to build a QFD, a quality of house. That's in 6 steps. Step number 1, identify the customer's requirements. So because we're only doing product design, so based on the attribute from the consumer panel, I actually had 4 customers' requirements. Healthy, value, taste, and visual. So we have nutrition, good value, taste appeal, and visually appeal. And step number 2, identify technical requirements. Again, based on the competitor's product information, I set up the 5 design features, 5 technical requirement design features: price, size, calorie, sodium, and percent fat. Step number 3, relate the customer requirements to technical requirements. So set up the relationship. I actually have 3 types of relationships: very strong, and weak. Very strong, and weak. Now let's just read them. The first one, nutrition and price. The first cell. I think there may be a relationship, but it could be really weak. But you may say there's no relationship. Again, this is your call. And then nutrition and size. I didn't put anything here. Nutrition and calories, I put a very strong relationship, so it's a V here. Nutrition and sodium, again, it's a V here. Nutrition percent fat, again, it's a very strong relationship. So this is the first customer requirement and design feature relationship. I got this one down. And then value compared to the design features. Value versus price. I think there's a strong relationship of these two. And then value and size, there may be a strong relationship, or maybe a weak relationship. Maybe the bigger the better one, I don't know. But so I did put a weak relationship there. And I didn't put anything for calorie and sodium percent fat. Number 3, taste. taste versus price. No, I don't have that here. Taste versus size. I didn't put anything here. Taste calorie, taste sodium. There may be a weak relationship here. Percent fat, I put a weak relationship here as well. So this is requirement number 3. Requirement number 4, visually appeal and price. I put a weak relationship here. Visual size, weak relation, and this rate is nothing. This rate is nothing. So now we set up the relationship between the design features and customers' requirements. So step number 3. Step number 4, conduct an evaluation of competing products or services. So we want to do a competitor evaluation. So what I've got here is first, customer rank the importance of each design feature. I believe the health is ranks number 5 here, and value, taste, and visual are all number 4. Visual is number 3. Again, you may judge it differently. And the competitor ranking. Again, this is customer ranking. Let's go back here. If you look at the healthy food, the first category, Grabbies is 4, Queensburger 2, Sunday is 3. So Grabbies, Queensburger, and Sunday is 3. And then the value, 5 Grabs, 3 Queensburger, and Sunday is 4. 3 and 4. Yes. And then the taste, Grabbies 2, Queensburger 4, Sunday 3. And then the visual appeal, 3, 4, and 3. So this is the customer ranking, competitor customer ranking. And then if we look at this rank, because customer puts nutrition as the most important, and we see the other 3 are all scored less than 5, so this is probably going to be one of our selling point for the Bobs. So this is the selling point. And also the taste and visual appeal are the selling point, because the others not score 5. So this is kind of the competitors ranking. And evaluate technical requirements and develop targets. Now let's go to the bottom of this QFD table, or house of quality, to do the competitor evaluation. First, we look at the price. Now we need the competitor product information table. I actually post that here. So this is the price, weight, calorie, sodium, percent fat. So let's first compare the price. Because the weights are different, the three weights are different, so we cannot compare the price directly. We have to compare price per ounce. So for the first competitor, we use 1.55 divided by the weight 5.5, we got 0.28. And then we do the same thing for the other 2.25 divided by 7.5, and we got 0.3. And Sundays 1.75 divided by 6, we got 0.29. So these are the price per ounce.